All right. Gonna whip up a little, and I mean it, whip up a little bit of French toast this morning. Looked all over. Thought I had cinnamon, but I don't. Oh well, we're going to be roughing it. I think I'm going to add a little half and half to this. Alright, little half and half. That's enough. You know, we may be roughing it with no cinnamon, but we're not going to be roughing it for our syrup. We got New York maple syrup, made by a friend of mine right down the road. So yeah, I'm going to fire up the Blackstone. I just cleaned it this morning, and I'm going to try to make some French toast. Alright, time to take this egg mix. So, yeah, let's see. I don't have this thing. I have it probably on medium high. Kind of like to cook French toast slow so it cooks all the way through. Hey, these babies are ready. Yeah, I'm happy with those. Definitely happy with those. Yum. My French toast turned out great. I got my maple syrup poured all over that baby. And yeah, I need to do the dishes. So that's not a knife. This is a knife. That's what we get to use to cut French toast this morning. Roughing it. Whew, that knife made quick work of that. Look away, this isn't going to be pretty. Yum. Oh, yeah. I'm a happy guy. Yum. Oh, man. Hold on, I need to comb my hair. There we go. Gave it the old camping comb job. Woo! Man, is that French toast good. I haven't made that in a long time. Yum! What a way to kickstart the day. See ya! Okay, making 3 might have been a little optimistic. I'm halfway through and I'm already feeling full. Oh well, I'm sure they'll heat up good.